Are you tired of applying to job after job only to hear nothing back? Well, I've got the secrets you need to stand out to recruiters. Hi, my name is Caitlin and I'm the Talent and Onboarding Specialist here at Cornerstone Home Lending. And today I'm sharing the biggest secrets about getting a recruiter's attention. The truth is, recruiters receive a ton of applications. And if you don't make a first good impression on paper, you might not hear back from them. Thankfully, I've got the tips you need to stand out. Number 1, do your homework. This is so important. Before you apply, make sure you spend some time getting a really good idea of the company and history of the culture. A quick website and social media search will give you a lot of helpful information that can guide you to submit an application. Research ahead of time shows the hiring recruiter that you're spending time learning about the position and that you're invested in the opportunity to join the team. 2, tailor your resume. Did you know that you should make adjustments to your resume so it shows how qualified you are for the position? It's true. It's totally okay to remove skills or past work experiences that don't apply to the job that you're going for. In fact, it makes it easier for the recruiter to see how uniquely qualified you are for the role. Number 3, follow up. After your phone or an in-person interview, it doesn't hurt to follow up. If you're looking for ways to leave a lasting impression, send a quick thank you email or even a letter. Thanking your interviewer is a great way to show appreciation to their time and the opportunity to learn more about the company. Now that you know all the secrets to standing out, it's important to start applying. Dust off that resume and get job hunting. And if you're looking for a position here at Cornerstone, please click the link in the caption. We have open positions in our region based out of California, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. We'll see you next time.